his brother deer. Me need gun. Oh, doggy, there's a daggone deer right there. I'm gonna do it with my gun. Oh, my gun didn't do the deer. Daggum. Oh, daggone, was that a real gun? If I had a real gun, that deer'd be dead. I need a very more accurate gun.
John Peters. Hi, I'm Joe Polito. We have a selection of bolt-action rifles here today that we're going to describe to you and then probably show you some footage of us shooting them with random things. We're going to start off our video with the Mosin Model 91, produced by the Russian military from 1891 till the 1960s, with the last modifications being made in 1930 with the change in the sights and the action.
Next here we have Savage, but this is actually a derivative of the Mauser Action. The Mauser Action was first produced in 1898. It was built for the Gewehr 98. It's been refined. It's been further refined since then, and it's the most popular sporter and military bolt action in the world.
And finally, we have a derivative of the Lee Enfield Action, which was produced in 1895 by the British military. It was used until after World War II, and it is still being used today by small militia groups and terrorist organizations. This rifle in particular is chambered at .22 long rifle, like I said, with a derivative of the Enfield Action.
Man, this thing won't work. What a piece of junk.